this is the product from Music Flower Lasting Drama 24 hours long wear gel eyeliner. So I have recently bought this around 1 month ago, and I have decided to use this gel eyeliner by seeing many reviews of from YouTube, from Google and all. তো আমি এটা কিনেছি বেসিক্যালি এই কারণে বিকজ আমার একবার ট্রাই করার ছিল, বিকজ নাও ইটস আ ট্রেন্ড অফ ইউজিং জেল আইলাইনার ফর অলমোস্ট অল গার্লস. दैट्स वाई आई ऑल्सो थॉट कि मैं भी क्यों ना ट्राई करूँ. सो आई विल से द रिव्यू ऑफ माई पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस एंड अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट ऑल्सो. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Firstly, I would say that it's a very cute packaging. As you can see, it opens like this, and here you have 2 brushes and 2 products. Eita basically 4 color available: black, brown, blue and green. I have opted for the black and brown combination. There are more 3 combinations, which is the black and blue, black and black, as well as black and green. So I am not such a funky person, that's why I have opted for the simple and classy color of black and brown. So first of all, here we are provided with 2 brushes, and I would highly recommend you to get this because it costs just rupees 180, which is a very pocket friendly thing, and in 180 we get 2 brushes and our product. The 2 brushes have excellent quality of bristles. এটা এত ভালো কোয়ালিটি, অ্যান্ড মানে এটা খুব স্মুথ. এটার মানে কি বলবো, ইউজ করার টাইমে একদম এদিক ওদিক বেঁকে যায় না, অ্যান্ড মানে ইটস আ ভেরি গুড কোয়ালিটি ব্রাশ in one word if I want to say. Next, coming with the product which we have, first is this brown color. As you can see, hope it's visible. This is the brown color. The only drawback which I felt of the brown color is it is so dark that there is a very thin line of difference between the brown one and the black one. Otherwise, this is an absolute perfect for your makeup closet, because gel eyeliners are having many advantages over the kajal or the normal liquid eyeliner that we use. First of all, these eyeliners are very highly pigmented. That's why it stays for more than 8 to 9 hours. That's my personal experience. It is really smudge proof and really waterproof too. Until and unless you rub it with water in your eyes, it will not go. And that's a very true and honest review that I am doing. Secondly, লিকুইড আইলাইনারে কি হয়, যখন আমরা ঘেমে যাই তখন না ওটা করে স্মাচ করে পুরো মুখটা কালো হয়ে যায়, বাট ইন দিস কেস নাথিং লাইক দ্যাট হ্যাপেন্স অ্যাট অল, and that's like a very honest thing I am saying. I have used it for 9 to 10 times in 1 month, and I decided to share with you all because I saw many drawbacks in YouTube, but what I felt is the only drawback, as I said, the brown color. Except that there is no drawback with this product at all. And the black one, as you can see, I have applied. The black one is absolute, ivory black color. When you put it, it is not at all so thick that it will, become like a rubber sort of thing on your eye. Not at all. এটা যথেষ্ট smooth in texture, and when you at one stroke, what we claim in the stick kajals that one stroke, but we have to apply 3 to 4 times, but here it's originally one stroke application. If you put one stroke, that will be enough for you for the whole day, and it gives your eyes a bold effect. Next, the thing is, when you buy this, you need to see, because there are many fake products too in the market. So you actually need to go to some local shops which are trustworthy. Otherwise you will opt for a fake one, and again you will have many drawbacks for that. the other two colors, which are the blue one and the green one, I haven't bought it. 270 or 280. People who are enforced to do makeup, you can obviously use that. Otherwise, this is the best gel eyeliner I have ever used. So this was my review for gel eyeliners. Hope you have decided through the video that you have to buy it or not. So yeah, this was all. If you like our video, please let us know in the comment, and also let us know what are your feedback against or for our video. So press the bell icon and get subscribed to our channel. Thank you.